Morning, you guys. It is like such a cold, rainy day right now, but I'm headed out to get some Starbucks. I have my free like rewards coffee or whatever, so I'm gonna go grab one, take advantage of it. You guys doing? You excited for a ride? We're going to Starbucks? Who's excited? I'm excited. I just got home. I ended up getting a venti since it was free or whatever, and I got the chestnut praline, which is really good warm, but since I'm gonna be in the house all day, kind of want it iced. I always kind of prefer iced, but anyways, I decided it would be a great idea to get the mail in the pouring rain, and I had to fight for my life. I lost a nail in the process, but let's see what we got. This one is from Every Jewels. I always love the little baggies that they come in. Some gold hoops, cute little heart-shaped necklace, just a chain, so good for layering, and I think this one might be another chain. Yeah, this one's like a thin gold chain, so super cute. I could wear all three of them together and it would be really cute and layered, but I am not going to do that right now. I actually do have a coupon code with Every Jewels. I'll leave it here. It is for 30% off their website, so definitely a good deal. This one, don't know who it's from. Oh, I actually ordered this one. Ordered this cool little Christmas sweater. This is from, how do you say this? Alfric Eden. I've gotten a ton of like Instagram ads from them, so I went for it. Oh my gosh, let me get up. Look at how cute this is. I love it. Oh my gosh, like the patchwork detailing. Such a soft knit. The quality is really, really nice. I was not sure what to expect. So excited about this. This is way, way cute. I'm also wearing a Christmas sweater right now. This one's from last year. I got it from PacSun, strawberry shortcake. Oh, cute. This one is from Bloom. Skin therapy. So this is skincare, but look how cute this little baggie is. Self-care is the new going out. So true. They also sent over like a little jade roller and then the all-in-one nourishing oil, which I definitely need because my skin is so dry right now. This one's from ColourPop. Never know what to expect with ColourPop. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that they were doing like a Muppets collaboration. Okay, like I said, never know what to expect with ColourPop. Here's the palette. Let's see what this looks like. I feel like they had an opportunity to work with some fun colors for this one, so. Oh, packaging. Oh yeah, this one is fun. Those are so pretty. This last one I'm so freaking excited about. This is from Necessaire and I love them so much. So they actually sent me a restock of some of my faves and I can't wait because I actually just ran out of my body wash from them. So this is perfect timing. Just so aesthetically pleasing. So Necessaire is a body care brand and I love their body wash. Hugo, my boyfriend, loves their body wash. They have body lotion. What am I holding? Oh, the body exfoliator is really good, especially when I have like self-tan that's like clinging on for dear life. This helps. And the body serum, you would never think about putting a serum on your entire body like you do your face, but you know what? It's a game changer. The only one I haven't tried that they sent is the body oil, which I'm excited about because I am very dry right now. But I ended up getting everything in eucalyptus. It's my favorite scent from them, but they do have sandalwood, which is also really good. Fragrance free, and I think there's one other one that I haven't bought before. Ooh, I feel like these three are the must-haves from Necessaire, but I do also like their body lotion. I'm fully stocked up on that officially, and I will definitely keep you guys updated on my thoughts for this one. But I do also have a coupon code with Necessaire, which is awesome. It saves you 10%, and it's just my name, Haley Barber. So really, really cool. Okay, I put a little bit of the body oil on. This one is fragrance free. Ooh, that feels really nice. Ooh, so glowy. Look at the difference. That is my little unboxing of the day. Today's plans are to decorate the tree. I'm hoping that I bought enough ornaments to cover the tree, at least the front. Oh my gosh, we'll see how that goes. And I've also been trying to buy new holiday decor because like my past year's Christmas home decor is all like candy cane and red, and I want to move away from that theme and go more green like this. So I'll show you guys what I found so far. I feel like things are just like selling out so quickly this year. Like Target is already picked over. So I don't know, kind of a bummer. I've been having a hard time finding things that I really like. All right, let's decorate this tree.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
Here's the tree. Hugo and I were going back and forth if we even wanted to decorate it at all because we just love how the tree looks. So I decided to keep the ornaments pretty minimal, and I think it looks so pretty. Okay, honestly, this weather is killing me. I'm so freaking cold. It is, let's see, 38 outside. I have the heater on and my little like space heater out here. But I ordered some comfort food. I got some Indian food that I'm so excited about. So my Uber Eats will be here momentarily. And right now I'm trying to catch up on my current reads. So I started the 12 Dates of Christmas by Jenny Bayless. And this book is about 350 pages. Right now I'm only on page 116. So I have a little ways to go here. But so far I am really enjoying it. It has like that sort of like British humor to it. This is a rom-com, and essentially the main character, Kate, is speed dating on 12 separate days leading up to Christmas. So each date is like a blind date. They have a different activity like ice skating, cooking classes, salsa dancing, all kinds of fun stuff. So just reading through all of the antics of these dates and the weird people that she has to interact with is hilarious. I love it. But this book also has a lot of like real life stuff going on. It's not just about the dates. It is about her life, being a child of divorce, falling out with friends, you know, regular stuff that people deal with. So while it's like lighthearted and funny, there is still some like raw, real things in here, and I really enjoy that. So far I'm really liking this one. I almost didn't end up picking this one up because I have so many Christmas books that I've acquired. I'm like, I don't really need another one. But the entire premise of this one just drew me in, and I'm really happy that I picked it up. So I'll keep you guys posted on my thoughts. Once my food gets here, I'm going to eat it and then chill out for a little bit and read this, and I'll give you guys a haul of the Christmas decor that I have. The food just got here. Very excited about this. I ordered it from Teji's. I love their food so much. So I got some garlic naan. Smells so yummy. Boba thinks so too. I got tikka masala, and then this whole thing is rice. Delicious.
That direction. I think that this is cool. So out there.
Yeah, I get it.
Sorry you died.
Sorry you died.
I just ate so much, you guys. Ate myself right into a food coma. Feel like I need to take an immediate nap. Someone's gonna have to roll me right off this couch. I'm so full right now. Okay, so since I've been shopping for Christmas home decor, I've just been putting everything I buy in this little laundry basket in the closet. So I have a mini haul for you guys, but I gotta tell ya, I'm still on the hunt for some things. I don't feel like the house is going to be ready enough or as much as I want it to be with the few items that I snagged, and I'm not pulling out the stuff from the attic quite yet. So we'll see what we got going on. But I ended up getting this little Christmas tree from Target. A lot of our home accents are like this matte black, so I thought it would kind of fit into any space. I actually got these a little bit ago. This is from CB2. They're just pillar candles. They're like those little twisty ones. My hope was to find like some Christmassy candle holders, so still looking for that, but these are really cute. Okay, these honestly look a little phallic. I don't know, I grabbed them anyways. I think they're kind of cute, but they're a little suggestive. It's really girthy. Both of these were from Home Goods. They were 10 bucks each. Not too bad. I have a lot of like wood accents too, so I thought these would be kind of cute and neutral, but we'll see. More trees. These ones are from Target. They're so cute. I love the green. So this one was 5, this one was 10. This star, are you kidding? It's a little knit star. It's $5, so I'm gonna throw it on up there. Another Home Goods find. I'm liking the neutrals, okay? What can I say? I want like neutral decor downstairs, and then like in my like loft reading area, I want like the fun, colorful stuff. But I thought this was really cute. This was 15 bucks, which is actually a really nice price. Another from Home Goods. The lady, I was like, do you want the hanger? And she was like, take it as a Christmas gift from me. And I was like, okay, well, kind of a shitty gift, but I will take it. This blanket, I think it was like 25, yeah, 25 bucks, and it's so cute, warm. It's going to look so pretty on the couch. Also kind of matches this little rug that I got for my kitchen. This was from Target. Really cute. I'm gonna put it by our sink. And then these were also from Target, just little gingerbread kitchen towels. And that's it, you guys. Kind of disappointing if I'm honest, but that just means more shopping later on. Okay, I finally finished the 12 Dates of Christmas by Jenny Bayless, and you guys, this book was freaking cute. Right, Beanie? Beanie came over to give a little review of her own. Anyways, this was a pretty quick read, really adorable, just like a lighthearted rom-com. I did mention that there's like some real life stuff in there, and there definitely is, but it's still kind of lighthearted. I ended up rating this one 4 stars only because it was just so predictable, and I didn't really love how every single one of the dates were portrayed. There's like a few good guys mixed in there, but it's like very few and far between. I liked the main characters throughout here. Everyone's just like really funny and realistic, but I would definitely recommend this book if you're looking for something cute and sweet for the holidays. It was really precious, honestly. You wanna say bye, Beanie? You wanna say bye? Say see you later. See ya. Okay, bye you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.